Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day. So in today's video, I am working on an 8x10, just a small canvas, and I've got something new that I wanted to show you guys. It is from Liquitex, and it is Gold Metallic Medium. So what you do with this is you add it to your other colors to give it a gold look. So I picked out 3 different brands, 3 different colors, and I mixed them with this gold medium. I will kind of go over them with you. Now, it says on the bottle that you can mix this as much as you would like into your colors. You can use it alone as well. And it also says on the back, I know it's kind of hard to see there, I had to put my glasses on, but it works best when used with transparent colors. So, and it's compatible with all Liquitex products. Now, again, I wanted to try it with different paint brands, so that's what I did. Now, the first one that I have here is Atelier, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this one is opaque. It is Brilliant Magenta. And then I had a semi-transparent, semi-opaque from Golden, and this one is Phthalo Turquois. And then the one I used from Liquitex, it's Liquitex Professionals, and it is Quinacridone Blue Violet. Now this one, you can see on the back, maybe not, this one is transparent. So I did notice that I had to add a little bit more to the paint here. I had to add a little bit more of the gold to this one that I did the transparent one. So, and again, it kind of is up to you how much gold look you would like. So let me see if you can kind of see how it's got like this gold shimmer to it. Oh my gosh, it is super, super pretty. So I'm really excited. I did not honestly measure. I just put some of each paint in, and then I squirted a little bit at a time. I tried to do equal amounts of this so I could kind of measure. I mean, I tried to be as close as I could with the colors and the amounts, but you know, sometimes they're a little bit, the bodies are sort of the same. It's a heavy body. This one says it's heavy body. It seemed a little thinner to me, but the color is super, super pretty. So let me see if you can kind of see that one as well. It's got this really, really pretty gold look to it. And I need to show you, of course I have to show you the golden, because the golden Phthalo Turquoise, it is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's one of my favorites, if not favorite golden color. Honestly, it's gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is get my gloves on, and I'm gonna coat my canvas with white, and it's a mix of 2 whites, Liquitex Basics Titanium White, and then Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and I just mixed those 2 half and half, and then my pouring medium until I got the right consistency. And the pouring medium that I use is Liquitex Pouring Medium with Floetrol water and a little bit of Golden GAC 800. And as you can see, I've got some swipe tools here, so I will be using those. And I will be swiping with some white. It is from Amsterdam, Titanium White, and that is mixed with Australian Floetrol, 1 teaspoon of the Titanium White to 3 tablespoons of the Australian Floetrol. Super easy recipe, and I get great results with it every time, so hopefully today will be no different. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting the paint on, and I'm just kind of doing it like this, not really paying attention to it being covered completely, just you know, as much as possible. I don't necessarily need to get over the edges because I'm not sure if I'm going to just tilt only or if I'm going to maybe use my spinner. Haven't decided yet. I'm gonna start putting on. I don't really know yet how I'm gonna put it on, so I'm kind of thinking as I'm talking, and sometimes it's a little difficult for me to do both of those things. So let's see, I'm going to put the turquoise down first, and I'll start like here, and then kind of go like this, I suppose. And for those of you that are new to my channel, I do hope that you enjoy this enough to subscribe. And for those of you that already subscribe, I really appreciate your subscription, your support. It really does mean a lot to me. So again, I really appreciate it. And also, if you guys don't know, I do have a Facebook group. It is called Acrylic Pouring with Friends. It's super easy to remember because it is the same name as my YouTube channel, and it's a great group. I love it. It's really grown bigger than I really thought it was ever going to. We're nearing 21,000 subscribers, and it's a great group. So if you're looking for an acrylic pouring group to join, go ahead and check that out. Again, it's Acrylic Pouring with Friends. And so there, go check it out. All right, guys, I'm just gonna dump my my cell activator in there, and I don't really know why. I could have actually just put it in there, but you know what? I may need the bigger one. So in this way, you can kind of get more on it, especially if you're trying to go over holding it flatter a little bit, so you can see that I've got that on there. And I'm just gonna start here and kind of just go work my way up. And these things are so easy to use. If you're having trouble with your swipes, I highly recommend these swipe tools. They're so easy to use. That's why I designed them. So I was, sick of all the waste as well. Just so much paper towels and baby wipes and stuff. Just, ugh. So anyway, that's why one of the main reasons. All right, so I'm gonna try to do this. There we go. And you can see it's working super easy, super good there. Those are looking really pretty. So I think I am going to, let me see, I think I might add a little bit more here. Let me go up here a little bit. Oh wait. I think I did this one backwards, so we're going to test out the colors anyway. So, okay. And again, I'm going to dip that in there. Try to get a little bit more on the back of that. Alright guys, here we go with some wet photos. We'll take in for a little bit of a closer look as well. You can catch the awesome detail, and these colors are just gorgeous. I cannot wait to see how this dries with the Liquitex Gold Medium, so fingers crossed, and I'll be back when it's dry. Alright, so now it's time to check out the dried photos, and I think it looks gorgeous. I love the colors. It's slightly darker, but look at that gold shimmer. The Liquitex Gold Medium is gorgeous. I love the way it makes these colors look. I would love to hear what you guys think, so leave me a comment below. And if you got anything out of my video today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do that now. And a couple ways that you can help me out, help my channel out, is to share this video with someone that you think may enjoy it, and also hit that super thanks button. I really appreciate it, guys. And don't forget, if you are looking for any acrylic pouring tools, go ahead and check out acrylicpouringtools.com for all your acrylic pouring tool needs. And I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well. And I will catch you in the next one.